Hello everyone, this is Adrian Howard Weather Rampage, and I am in alert mode right now because of what you're looking at right now. Hurricane Florence is now becoming a very powerful hurricane. As of Monday, September 10th, 2018, it's off the East Coast and projected to move into North Carolina. As of 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Hurricane Center central location was 25.4 north and 61.1 west. Maximum sustained winds were at 140 miles per hour, and the movement was west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. So this storm is picking up speed, and it is a very, very powerful hurricane, Category 4 hurricane, nearing Category 5 strength also. So I don't know if you remember, if you lived in the Carolinas back in 1989, they had Hurricane Hugo. Hurricane Hugo's winds were at 145 miles per hour. The storm was a very destructive storm. And this storm looks to do nothing less than Hugo as it comes inland. As you can see, by 5 p.m. Monday, here's the position of the storm. 5 p.m. Monday, major hurricane, major hurricane, major hurricane. Tuesday, Wednesday, into 2 p.m. Wednesday, major hurricane. And look at that. Look at that. That is very concerning right there. Major hurricane by 2 p.m. Thursday. And as it comes inland, turns into a high-end tropical storm and into a tropical depression. So Raleigh could be seeing impacts from this, as well as Greensboro, and also especially the coast, from some very, very, very heavy rainfalls. Rainfall amounts expected are catastrophic, folks. Catastrophic rainfall amounts expected are up to 18 inches in some areas, especially around the Research Triangle, Raleigh, Greensboro, and those areas. So if you live in those areas, you need to be really mindful of that as this big storm comes ashore. And it means business when it comes ashore, so be mindful of that. Be very mindful of that. So what I wanted to show you here is also, this is what it looks like, everyone, on the long wave IR image, satellite image. Look at that, folks. That is just a very powerful hurricane. Very symmetrical, top, bottom, left, right. Very symmetrical donut in the middle, donut indicating the eye wall of the storm. It is a very, very, very symmetrical and destructive, powerful hurricane. This storm had one of the most prolific intensifications that I've ever seen, going from a 85 to 90 mile per hour hurricane yesterday to 48 hours later, actually 48 hours, over a span of 48 hours, went from a tropical storm, low-end hurricane, to now a Category 4 hurricane nearing Category 5 status. So this storm is going to have some wide range impacts. Going to be a very, very powerful hurricane. I'm just showing you some satellite images of this storm, as it is very impressive. I mean, this is like textbook classic stuff, folks. Like this is as textbook classic as you get with hurricanes, as this storm continues to barrel to the northwest and go in that projected path towards the Carolinas. And okay, I'm gonna show you this. Okay, and here's the storm now. Here's the storm on enhanced satellite imagery. Here's the storm on enhanced satellite imagery as it continues to move to the northwest at a pretty fast clip now, 13 miles per hour, and it is very symmetrical looking, as you can see here. I don't know why my camera won't let me zoom into this, but it is a very, very powerful hurricane. I can show you a better image here. Look at this, folks. Oh my goodness. Those last few images, you can see that eye wall is really getting tight there. So this storm is really pinwheeling itself forward, and it is gaining speed and intensity as it pinwheels forward. As you can see, I want to show you very closely this eye wall as I go inward. Look at around that eye wall where it's spinning that donut hole right there. You can see that the cloud tops are overshooting. There's overshooting cloud tops coming from the eye wall of this storm, indicating that this storm is very, 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 very powerful as far as wind speeds are concerned. And also, you can see little vortices in the middle of that, which means that the winds are very, 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 very concentrated and destructive. So this is a very powerful and symmetrical hurricane, as you can see. As I show you that image and I zoom out, all this is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits and College of DuPage, which I give credit to. But this storm is moving very, very fast to the northwest at now 13 miles per hour, is expected to move ashore somewhere between Wilmington, North Carolina and Jacksonville, North Carolina as a Category 4 storm. Expected to move in with wind speeds up to 145 miles per hour. So this is going to be a very dangerous event. The Carolinas have not seen a hurricane of this magnitude probably since Hurricane Hugo back in 1989. So this is not going to be playing, folks. This storm means business. If you think that you can ride this hurricane out without making the proper necessary preparations for this storm, you are going to be out of luck with this storm. This is a dire situation. You need to be paying attention to this storm. I am not going to give you any niceties about this storm because this storm means business. It is a powerful hurricane. So do not wait till the last minute on this storm because you will be out of luck. You will be out of luck with this storm. The only thing that will help you is prayer with this storm. It will help you anyway, but the only thing that will help you is prayer with this storm. This is a very dangerous, powerful storm, as I said, about to cross the 62 degrees west longitude parallel, as you can see here. So it's getting closer and closer to the Carolinas, and it's going to be a dangerous event, as I said before. Going to be a dangerous hurricane. I'm going to zoom out now. As you can see here, there it is, right there. There it is, getting very close to the Carolinas. So be mindful that this storm is going to have some catastrophic